Hello, Mr. Boom here. Welcome to Forex Buno Hub, and in this video we're gonna show or we're gonna analyze the market for next week. That means Monday to Friday. Okay, and as you can see there, our last week's gold signal was bearish. That means we told that gold may going down, and it already go down. It's around. Let me calculate it. It's around from 2939 to 2958. That means there is almost 800 pips bearish movement from the market. So let's analyze the market for the next Monday to Friday, and as our trading style or analysis style, we need to find our market direction, buy or sell from weekly and daily time frame, and then we will find out our entry or signal from H4 and H1 time frame. Okay, so let's get back into the chart, and as you can see there is some few movement from the market. Let me make a rectangle over here, and as you can see there is a big bearish candle from the market. As you know that Donald Trump and Ukrainian President Vladimir Zelensky has completed a meeting yesterday, and there was a lot of issue about geopolitical things, and you may know that if you especially follow the news or follow the fundamentals for forex or for USD movement, so you may know that what is happening in the worldwide. Okay, so you have to keep your concern on fundamental news, and you have to keep your concern on what happening around the world. Okay, especially on United States, because gold is always connected with USD, that means United States dollar. So we have to keep our concern with America. Okay, and as per this bearish movement, as you can see the previous 2 week, first and second week, market goes bullish, and in last week market make a bearish movement that cover up previous 2 weeks bullish movement. So that means there is a strong bearish pressure. Okay, so and that could be a engulfing pattern over here, and that you may know that for engulfing pattern, or for every for every engulfing pattern confirm market direction. Okay, so let's make it daily time frame. As you can see there, if I zoom out a little bit more, as you can see there is a strong breakout. That means there is a breakout with pin bar confirmation, and gold is going down. That means market indicates us market going to move bearish or market going to down next week. Okay, so as per our analysis, market will be moved down or bearish, and if we select weekly time frame once again, and as per price action, as you can see there is 2 pin above the candle and below the candle. So there is a little bit buying pressure. That's why there is a small, there is a push up. Okay, push up from the buyer side. Okay, buyer are trying to make gold bullish, and seller are trying to make gold bearish. In that case, there is more selling pressure than buyers. Okay, so if we make it daily time frame once again, and if we want to draw a trend line around that area, as you can see there, market just give us a bearish breakout. Okay, and in that case, if we want to draw a support area and that level, as you can see there, market just make a breakout. That means support breakout over here on Thursday. Okay, again Friday it just give us a pullback. That means a small pullback, then again trying to go down. So this is the current scenario, and as per our analysis, it's may going down or it's may going to move bearish for the next week. So let's find out our entry. So for entry, we need to go for H4 time frame. As you can see, if we want to draw another trend line, that means if we want to draw another trend lines, as you can see there, as per Okay. Okay, as you can see there is a zone, and there is also a zone, there is another zone, and there is finally breakout. So as per our trend line breakout strategy, you may know that when market give us a breakout, it must have to be retest the zone again, then we can take sell entry around this particular area. That means for long, or who want to sell or who want to hold trade for like swing trade. That means if you want to hold the trade for long, or if you are a long-term trader, then you may take sell entry from that area. Let me make it little bit clear. Okay, as you can see there, our sell entry could be around 2879. Our SL should be around above the red line, and our TP should be around this particular area, or you may take this particular area, or if you are multiple TP levels trader, so you may take first TP here, second TP here. That means first TP, second TP, and third TP, and your SL should be this line, your entry should be this line. That means here is your risk reward ratio 1:3. Okay, so if your risk is around 100 pips, your reward will be 300 pips. Okay, this is the basic theory. You may ask me, Mr. Boom, we are a scalper, so what about us? So let's make a analysis for the scalpers. Okay, let's select H1 time frame and then M30. As you can see there, for a scalper, in that scenario, or in that case, or in the chart, as you can see there, there is a breakout. Okay, as per I said, so you may take buy entry on that area. That means if when it give us a pullback, then we can take a buy entry for short term, or for a scalper, then we can take buy entry till the area, then you can sell around that area for long term. Okay, so hopefully all things is clear now. From the technical side, I will publish another video, or I will make another video about fundamental thing or fundamental side. So hopefully all things is clear now. If you have more query, you can visit our Telegram channel t.me/fxbillionaire. There we are sharing or posting a lot of daily analysis that indicates where to go, or where to buy, or where to sell. So that's for now. Mr. Boom signing out.